My name is Milagros, and I have been coming to see Dr. Salas for a year. The procedures I've done are the mommy makeover, which is a breast augmentation and a breast lift, a tummy tuck, and lipo on my flanks. I've also done Botox on my face and fillers on my face. And I've also done laser on my legs to remove the spider veins. After my procedure, my confidence definitely went up. The way you look at yourself in the mirror now is so much different than before. It's like you like what you see, and it's awesome. My overall experience has been better than what I expected. My results are great. I love showing them off. I love telling all my girlfriends about you, to come to you and why to come to you. And I so greatly appreciate that I found you as a good doctor, and you've treated me well.